Well, actually, the last time I cleaned the fryer is yung nakita niyo na video sa previous vlog ko. Yun yung last linis ko ng fryer. And then, kasi ngayon sobrang, hindi na ako natutuwa. So, I need to clean the fryer. Tapos wala dito yung isang chef. So, ako yung mag-linis. And, come on. I thought it's just a chill day today, but hindi pala. And I forgot my apron last night, so I'm gonna use a dirty apron today. But it's fine because it's Sunday, so last day na ng work ko this week. So next week, Friday pa work ko kasi balik na naman kami sa school. So may limit na naman. And it's my last term. Finally. Chef is calling me. Hello, Chef. Hi. I'm doing the opening procedures and I'm gonna clean the fryer after. Yep, I will. Because we're doing the stock take this week because it's the end of the month. So actually every end of the month we're doing stock take. So the head chef is not here. So he was asking me to take pictures of the stock para input niya sa system. Kasi nga wala siya dito. Well, I can actually magagawa ko naman siya, pero kasi ang dami kong gagawin, and then ako lang mag-isa, and then yung next na tao dadating pa, yung next na staff dadating is 4 pa. Kasi yung galit, ano ba nangyayari sa bibig ko? Sobrang lamig kasi. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Before tayo mag-start, papag-isip mo na. Some music. perfect. Actually, it's not perfect. Kasi nagmamadali na ako. Kasi 12 na. Well, inan ko na yung fryer. And nagmamadali na kasi ako kasi 12:20 na. And open yung kitchen is 12. So baka may mag-order and kailangan ng fryer. So, nagmamadali na ako. Then, yeah, kain man ako guys. Pero kung nahihila na gutom na. Kape lang kasi yung ininubo. Hindi ako kumain. And yun, kain mo na ako. And prepare for service. I actually forgot that I was vlogging. And now, I did the pasta. Because I'm hungry. I like mine with capers. This one is capers. So good. So dirty. Breakdown. Ay, naku.
Hindi pong
Hi guys, I'm done working. Hanggang working na. And nagbibihis ako ngayon. Kasi nga, tapos na ako. And it's 6:22 p.m. na. And I finished at 6. And I need to catch the train at Melbourne Central at 6:32. So may 10 minutes pa akong magbihis and mag-ready. Well, dapat Sunday is like cocktail day, cocktail night ko after work. Pero naisipan ko, uwi na lang ako. Kasi may bugbog ako guys. Na ano kahapon dito sa work. I know. So, ayun na nga. Naisipan ko, uuwi na lang ako. Kasi lately, mas pinipili ko na mag-stay at home. Kasi, ewan ko, mas nag-enjoy na ako ngayon na mag-stay sa bahay. And, do my own thing. Do our own thing. And, ayun. Share ko lang. Makikita niyo yung sarili niya. I mean, sarili ko. Yeah, I'm using an iPad. iPad yung ginagamit ko mag-video kasi maganda yung
planning, I've been thinking about buying DJI Osmo Pocket 3 combo. That's my dream camera right now, but I don't have money yet, so I can't buy it. So, tiis-tiis muna. Gusto ko talagang bilhin yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3 combo, guys. Diba? Complete sentence. Kasi maganda yung quality ng camera niya, and then it's so handy and so maliit. Sobrang liit niya, and ako nahihiya akong mag-vlog in public gamit yung phone. Kasi nga, parang obvious na nag-video ka. Pero yung DJI, alam mo yung sobrang cute niya. And hindi siya, well, hindi ko masasabi hindi obvious kasi sobrang sobrang sikat na ngayon yung DJI. So, I think a lot of people already know what DJI is, what DJI looks like. So, pero yun na nga, alam naman kasi ng mga tao na vlogging camera siya, and then, number one, I really like is it's very, very handy. Compared to my cell phone, I can't use my cell phone while I'm doing a video. I'm doing a vlog. That's why I'm using my iPad. But yun na nga, gusto ko nga talaga ng DJI. Feeling ko, kasi ang dami ko pang pag-iipunan ngayon, guys. Kakatapos ko lang magbayad ng tuition, and then basta ang dami. Tapos puprocess pa ako ng visa. Ayokong pag-usapan muna kasi nai-stress ako. So parang wala akong extra money to buy the camera. Pero tinatry ko yung best ko na every sahod pag-iipunan ko talaga. Well, my birthday is coming soon on June. So maybe I'll buy that camera on my birthday. I wish I can buy it. I wish. But I always say that na I'll buy this one on my birthday. I will buy this one for myself, Christmas gift to myself. Pero never ko pa talagang nagawa. Like wala akong nabili na para sa sarili ko. Kasi lahat na pupunta sa bills. And I think the last gadget that I bought is feeling ko itong iPad na to. And this was like 2 years ago. Or 1.5 years ago. I don't know. It's 6:27 and I'm so nervous. Well guys, I'm really doing my best to upload every week kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako mag-vlog. Nag-enjoy akong magsalita, mag-take videos, nag-enjoy akong mag-edit, and nag-enjoy akong mag-upload sa YouTube. And when I can see na may nanonood, well, I really don't care. I really don't care about how many views yung mga videos ko, kahit konti lang yan. Yung nag-enjoy lang talaga ako is when I edit, like it satisfies me na mag-edit, mag-take videos, and talk about my life. Not really my whole life. Kasi yung mga vlog ko is hindi ko naman pinapakita sa inyo lahat ng mga ganap ko sa buhay. Lang mga bits and pieces lang. Yung pwede ko lang, yung kaya ko lang i-share sa inyo. Yung kaya ko lang i-share in public. Kaya na-enjoy ako. Dami ko lang sinasabi. And baka may iwan ako ng train. So I need to go. But before that, don't forget your lip tint. So before I go, I always make sure na hawak ko na to. Ito siya, dito yung mic ko. So, pag nasa train station ako, ganun na lang. I don't really need to remove this one and tap yung ganun lang. So, sobrang convenient niya. And, always make sure na nasa pocket ko siya para hindi na ako ganun sa bag ko. And, my lip tint. Ha! And candy. Feeling ko maraming tao ngayon sa train station. Kasi parang siyang rush hour. Rush hour. Guys, I don't really wear makeup. Lip tint lang. Solve na ako. So, ayan. Let's go. I'm going home na.